I just had a great chat with 5 captains online here, and we're starting to build platforms of engaging with people to take away this stigma of how are you feeling. And generally in yachting, the answer for my last 25 years until this year was, I'm fine, everything's perfect, ready to go. Yeah. And then I met you and you gave me an opportunity or a challenge to be vulnerable. And that's really changed my life a little bit. I don't know if it's maybe a better or worse person, but it's given me an opportunity to open up my eyes and my ears and try and help, you know,